Hello guys, so I've been using SynthFlow for a while now, and honestly, it's been a mix of excitement and a few frustrations, but overall, I'm impressed. Like most tools in the AI automation space, it's powerful but not perfect, and I think that balance is important to be upfront about before you commit time or budget. What grabbed me first was how it really delivers on the no-code promise. I was able to create AI voice agents that could handle appointment scheduling, lead qualification, and customer support without touching a single line of code. For Shopify store owners, this means you don't need a developer to start automating phone-based interactions like order inquiries, booking callbacks, or filtering serious buyers from casual browsers. The integration options are massive, everything from HubSpot, Salesforce, WhatsApp, and Zapier to Google Workspace, Calendly, and even Python backends through webhooks. In my case, I hooked it up to HubSpot and Zapier, and within a day, I had a working outbound campaign agent making automated calls to leads. That kind of setup can be huge if you're running abandoned cart follow-ups, wholesale outreach, or lead reactivation campaigns without adding more staff. The voice quality is surprisingly natural, especially in English and Spanish, and thanks to 11 Labs, it feels almost human. My agent could greet clients, answer product questions, and set appointments while logging everything automatically into my CRM. This is especially useful if you sell higher ticket products and want that personal touch without being tied to the phone all day. Before SynthFlow, we missed leads because of calls outside working hours, but now every inquiry is answered instantly, 24 hours and 7 days, which has definitely boosted conversions. If you're running ads or getting traffic from different time zones, this alone can make a noticeable difference in captured leads and customer satisfaction. The drag-and-drop flow designer makes building logic pretty straightforward once you get the hang of it, though I will say there's a small learning curve if you want advanced branching and natural conversation flows. Simple use cases are quick to set up, but if you want the agent to sound truly conversational and handle edge cases, you'll need to spend some time testing and refining your flows. Pricing is where it gets tricky. The starter plan is around $29 per month, but for more serious usage, you are looking at something like $450 per month for Pro or $900 per month for Growth. I can feel steep, and the free trial minutes run out fast, especially since even internal testing eats up those minutes. This is something to factor in early, especially if you're still validating whether voice automation fits your business model. I wish they offered more testing minutes without charging, so I could experiment without stressing over the counter ticking down. Also, the lack of gender or accent filters in the voice selection is a bit limiting, and I had a small hiccup with Zapier integration where the embed section wouldn't load. These aren't deal breakers, but they are things you'll notice once you start scaling usage. Support has been responsive for me in most cases, but I've seen others mention slow ticket replies in urgent situations. From my experience, it's good support overall, but not something you want to rely on last minute if you're launching a time-sensitive campaign. Still, for the sheer power it gives you, custom flows, real-time voice calls, integrations with dozens of tools, and the ability to run an AI receptionist or sales rep on demand, it's hard not to call SynthFlow a game changer. Few tools let you automate voice at this level while still keeping control over the customer experience. Once you dial in your flows, it feels like having a reliable, full-time employee that never takes a break, and that alone has made it worth keeping in my business stack. For Shopify store owners looking to scale support or sales without immediately hiring, that value proposition is hard to ignore.